Hormones play a crucial role in nearly every function of a woman's body, from metabolism and mood to reproductive health and energy levels. But did you know the foods you eat can have a powerful impact on balancing those hormones naturally? In this video, we'll explore key foods that support hormonal health in women, helping to reduce symptoms of imbalance, boost vitality, and promote overall well-being, one bite at a time. Today we will talk about foods that support hormonal health in women. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding hormonal health in women. Hormonal health in women plays a vital role in physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, insulin, cortisol, and thyroid. Hormones regulate critical processes including metabolism, reproductive health, mood, sleep, and even skin health. Imbalances can lead to issues like weight gain, irregular periods, mood swings, fatigue, acne, infertility, and more. These imbalances are often triggered by poor diet, chronic stress, lack of sleep, environmental toxins, and sedentary lifestyles. Fortunately, nutrition has a profound impact on hormonal regulation. Certain foods help maintain balance by supporting gland function, promoting detoxification, reducing inflammation, and stabilizing blood sugar. A nutrient-dense, whole foods-based diet rich in healthy fats, proteins, fibers, vitamins, and antioxidants is crucial. Rather than relying solely on medication or supplements, dietary strategies provide a natural way to restore and maintain hormonal equilibrium over time. Understanding the relationship between food and hormones is the first step toward holistic female health. 2. Crucial role of healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and balance. Fats are the building blocks of steroid hormones, including estrogen and progesterone. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit hormonal health, particularly for conditions like PCOS and endometriosis. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that support insulin sensitivity and adrenal health. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that provide quick energy and support thyroid function. Grass-fed butter and ghee contain butyrate, a fatty acid that supports gut health, an indirect but essential component of hormonal regulation. Avoiding trans fats and highly processed vegetable oils is equally important, as they disrupt cell membrane function and hormone signaling. Including moderate portions of these healthy fats daily helps the body synthesize and transport hormones efficiently while stabilizing mood, promoting satiety, and regulating menstrual cycles naturally and effectively. 3. Importance of fiber and gut health. Fiber is often overlooked in hormonal health, yet it's vital. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, legumes, flax seeds, fruits, and vegetables, helps the body eliminate excess estrogen through the digestive tract. This is particularly helpful in preventing estrogen dominance, which is linked to conditions like fibroids, PMS, and certain cancers. Insoluble fiber also supports regular bowel movements, further aiding hormone detoxification. A healthy gut microbiome metabolizes estrogen and supports communication between the gut and brain through the gut-brain axis. Prebiotic foods like garlic, leeks, and asparagus feed beneficial gut bacteria, while fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir introduce healthy probiotics. These bacteria modulate immune function and reduce systemic inflammation, which can otherwise disrupt hormonal balance. Including diverse plant-based foods that are rich in both fiber and phytonutrients also ensures a steady blood sugar response. Another key factor in regulating insulin and cortisol levels that affect overall hormonal stability in women. 4. Balancing blood sugar with complex carbs. Unstable blood sugar levels are a major disruptor of hormonal balance, especially for insulin and cortisol. Consuming refined carbs and sugars causes spikes in blood sugar, followed by crashes that lead to cravings, mood swings, and fatigue. Over time, this contributes to insulin resistance, a condition at the core of PCOS and type 2 diabetes. Instead, women should focus on complex carbohydrates with a low glycemic index, GI, such as quinoa, brown rice, sweet potatoes, lentils, and whole oats. These carbs release glucose slowly, preventing sharp insulin fluctuations and supporting energy and hormonal equilibrium. Pairing complex carbs with proteins and healthy fats can further stabilize glucose levels. Additionally, carbohydrates support the production of serotonin and progesterone, which aid in mood regulation and sleep. Women with irregular periods or fertility issues can especially benefit from strategically timed carb intake, particularly during the luteal phase of their cycle when insulin sensitivity naturally decreases. 5. Protein-rich foods for hormone building. Protein is crucial for synthesizing peptide hormones such as insulin, growth hormone, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. It also helps regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which influence appetite and metabolism. Quality protein sources include eggs, poultry, grass-fed beef, wild fish, tempeh, lentils, and beans. Collagen and bone broth are rich in glycine and proline, amino acids that support liver detoxification and skin health, both important for hormonal balance. Consuming adequate protein helps maintain muscle mass, stabilizes blood sugar, and supports adrenal function. Women need about 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, depending on their activity level and age. Including a variety of animal and plant-based proteins ensures a diverse amino acid profile. For women experiencing symptoms like fatigue, hair thinning, or irregular cycles, inadequate protein intake could be a contributing factor. Prioritizing protein at breakfast is especially helpful in setting a stable hormonal tone for the day. 6. Antioxidants and phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens are plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen in the body, offering a natural way to modulate estrogen levels. Found in foods like flax seeds, soy, chickpeas, lentils, and berries, they bind to estrogen receptors, which can help balance both high and low estrogen levels. This is particularly beneficial during menopause, when natural estrogen declines. Lignans in flax seeds are especially potent, aiding in estrogen metabolism and detoxification. Antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, pomegranates, dark leafy greens, green tea, and cacao help neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative stress, an underlying factor in hormonal imbalance and aging. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain indole-3 carbinol, which supports liver detox pathways involved in metabolizing estrogen. These compounds not only protect hormonal organs like the ovaries and thyroid, but also reduce inflammation, support fertility, and enhance skin health. 7. Micronutrients and minerals. Certain vitamins and minerals are critical for hormone production and regulation. Magnesium, found in leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, and almonds, calms the nervous system, reduces PMS symptoms, and supports thyroid and adrenal health. Zinc, present in oysters, pumpkin seeds, and legumes, is essential for ovulation, immune support, and testosterone balance. Selenium, abundant in Brazil nuts, is vital for thyroid hormone synthesis and protection against oxidative damage. Vitamin B6, found in bananas, potatoes, and poultry, helps with progesterone production and mood regulation. Vitamin D, synthesized from sunlight and found in fatty fish and egg yolks, acts as a hormone itself, influencing insulin and reproductive health. Iron and iodine are especially important for menstruating women and thyroid function, respectively. But if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.